Hello, my name is Ferguson. I'm Senior Design Engineer with Hutchinson. By choosing to work with Hutchinson, you gain access to a team of dedicated design professionals who are passionate about delivering exceptional results. Our commitment to design for manufacturing, combined with our extensive experience in the agricultural, crushing and screening, recycling and transport sectors, ensures that we can effectively address your most complex design challenges. We prioritise design for manufacturing expertise. We approach your products with a focus on optimising the fabrication and assembly processes. Drawing on our knowledge and experience, we offer innovative methods to enhance efficiency. Working closely with you, we provide valuable insights and suggestions to reconfigure and adjust assemblies, aligning them with manufacturing systems. Our solutions cater to a diverse range of sectors, including transport, agriculture, crushing and screening and recycling. We offer bespoke design services that support design for manufacture. This includes the creation of custom designed jigs and fixtures, streamlining the assembly process and enhancing overall efficiency. Leveraging industry-leading design programs such as SolidWorks and AutoCAD, we bring your visions to life. These powerful tools enable us to create precise and comprehensive designs that meet your specifications. Contact us for more information on the design solutions we can bring to your company.